Hello guys, so today I'm gonna make a new video on my car. As you can see, I'm doing some work here, and that's because the intake here this is what happened. And so I decided to make a custom one with all this that I got here. I had this, but the only thing I had to get was this. But I had all that. Let me show you what comes in the package. So you got your filters, which I'm not going to be using. Nice little filters. You get 2 of them. That's one. Then you get this other one. And again, it's a good price for $38. I got it on eBay. I'm gonna put the link down below. You get this other filter. You get 2. You get this. This is what I needed. You also get this and this hose. This here. This one too. Alright, so I already got this on the throttle body. I got this one at Pep Boys. These are expensive. It was like $30. This one. And this one here. You get this one. I got this one at AutoZone. It was like $20. Alright guys, so the first step is to grab this rubber thing. It comes with this here. So you grab this and you're gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cut around here. Alright guys, that took a little bit more than I was expecting, but after you're done, grab one and it just goes into the pipe here. Just like this. Alright guys, once you have this one ready, next step is put it inside the throttle. Just like that. Alright, so the next step is to grab one of these. It's gonna go right in here. Alright. Alright guys, that's pretty much how it's starting to look. I'm not gonna be using this here. I'm gonna use a different filter for this, for these two, this one and this one. Alright, it's just me, but I want to turn it on to see how it sounds without the filters and everything. I just want to see how the supercharger sounds. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the sensors here. Alright, both of the sensors are unplugged. As you can see, let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, so the next step is to cut this one, to fit it in here, just like this. Alright guys, so now that we have this cut, let's go ahead and continue. Alright, next step.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless. Calling them all night. I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well end without that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
Alright guys, so one side is done, you can see. Nice and tight. Looking pretty nice. So now let's begin with the other side. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I couldn't record this side because had a little bit of trouble and I couldn't hold the camera in at the same time, but I'm sure you know how it was. Anyway, this is how it looks. It turned out really nice. I really like it. Really nice. And that's how it looks with the cover on. It's really nice. Let's see if we can get some noise from the supercharger. I'm planning on getting K&N air filters for the stock boxes. I think that's gonna make it sound a little bit louder. But yeah, that's my next goal, or my next mod. So let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little pull with the windows up and see how it sounds, and then we're gonna roll down the windows. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it's definitely louder. Alright, now we're going to roll down the windows. We got the windows rolled down. Let's see. I think it sounds louder with the windows up. Let's try one more time with the windows up. Yeah, it's louder with the windows up. So that's pretty much it, guys. And if you're interested on the intake kit, and I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's only about like $38. So it's well worth it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.